Hi, my name is Murali Mettala. I'm a first generation immigrant from India and have been living in New York City for the past 18 years. I graduated from one of the best and world ranked universities in India, the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore, with a science and technology background. The majority of my time in my home country was like study, study, study. My grandparents were basically farmers. They grew rice and a variety of vegetables for living. According to my dad, there were more disappointing years than good ones because they were so dependent on the mother nature. With great difficulty, my father completed his high school education and was forced to take up a job to support his family. My dad always wanted his four children to complete a higher level education because he was not able to due to family responsibilities. His dream came true. My father saw all of us graduate, but he passed away after my elder brother's marriage. My father never would have imagined that my younger sister and I migrate to the US with our families. My brother in law is also a software engineer who is working for Apple company in California. I came to the US in 1998 on a work permit. I was so excited at the same time, so anxious and nervous, imagining the uncertainties like where I'm going to stay, how I'm going to perform my work, and those high rise buildings I only saw in movies. During my first few years in the US, I always intended on going back to India, even though I was earning more money than I would have in India. Honestly, I did not have a more broader vision or plan for the next few years of my life. After 1 year, things were very different. We were blessed with a second child, and my elder daughter Swati was able to come to New York on a dependent visa. I started living in my own little world with two adorable daughters. Being the first immigrant in my family, many times in my life, I went through a lot of emotions. Some are really good and some are really bad. Today, I am fortunate for so many things because I live in a country where there is a system that people really respect and follow, and there is a quality of education and quality of life, and there are opportunities and respect for talent. But I still have some regrets, like not able to take care of my mother in her old age. I try to fill the gap by calling my mom 2 times a week. I believe it will be a gap forever in my life that I consciously or unconsciously built through immigration that I can never fill completely. My initial intentions to go back to India faded away with time for two reasons. First, whatever money I earned in first few years, I sent to my parents and relatives back home. It was a real joy to me to call them and ask if they needed more money whenever my bank balance grew a little. Ironically, some of them became very unfriendly when I stopped sending money to them. I did not want to go back empty handed, so I thought I would stay here for a few more years to earn enough money for my own family. Secondly, as the years passed without much clear direction, one thing I liked was my kids' education. I saw a brighter future for them in the US, and it is unfair for me even to ask them to go back to India because it would be difficult for my kids to adjust in India, considering the friends they have made here, weather differences, and for them, the US is like their home country. Now, things have come to a point where my kids were not in a position to settle anywhere except here in the US. My remaining in the US for so long, my connections to my home country are diminishing. My world is becoming so little in India, and I have found a place for myself and my family in New York.